Alright, food's frying. What is up, guys? This is Quentin X, the Young Enthusiast, back again with another video for the week. Now, if you guys remember, I moved into this place that I'm living at right now a year ago. This is my first place, and I basically had nothing when I first moved here. Now, a lot of things have changed since I first moved in. I got a lot more stuff. Well, for you guys who just subscribed to this channel, this is going to be completely new to you. So you can just imagine this as a regular house tour. Let's begin. Well, as I said, a lot of things have changed. Pretty much everything else is the same in a whole lot. But this is where I park my cars. And I debadged the Integra today, so I wanted to clean that up a little bit. But this is where I always park my cars back here. Now, when I first moved here, I only had the CB7. Now, of course, it was in better condition back then. It still had its muffler, but everything was a little bit, pretty much the same up here, except for the second car right here. Now, let's start with the living room. Of course, it's the front of the house. Now, a lot of things have changed with the living room. When I first moved in, I only had this brown chair right here and here. And I was using this couch as a bed because I didn't have a bed yet either. Now, this couch is a fold-out bed too, so don't think I was just sitting on the couch like that. That would be very uncomfortable. Of course, I didn't have this dining table. Pretty much everything in this living room was empty except for this chair. And a lot of things have changed. I got this TV. I have a nice surround system end table with a subwoofer back there. Also got the Xbox One so I can play Forza and Need for Speed. You guys pretty much saw the kitchen. Nothing really changed except I actually have food and I actually have utensils to cook with. Not that much in the refrigerator as normal, being, you know, just straight out of college. But a lot of things have changed a little bit around the house. I have a grill that I just got about a week ago. Now let's go into the bedroom. Now pretty much, mostly the bedroom hasn't changed, except I do have a full bedroom, fully furnished. So this TV was what I was always using at first. I bought it for $40, it's a 42-inch. I also have my Xbox 360, some speakers with the subwoofer in there too, and a PS2. Also got my Car Guys calendar, I always gotta have that. Now, I also have some new stuff other than this bed, which is broken at the moment. I gotta get a new bed frame, but other than that, everything's good. I got Wi-Fi. I also got a nightstand. This nightstand has really been nice. And I also have this dresser. Pretty much everything in the closet really hasn't changed. I got all my clothes that I barely wear here anyway. The office chair and, you know, just other useless stuff. I need to clean this room out actually. But I never use it, so I don't really pay attention to it. It's a pretty big closet. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mediocre video about how much things have changed in my old place that I've had for about a year. Now this place is only $4.75 a month to rent. It's a 1-bedroom. And it's really been doing me well since I got it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this small little video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you really want to see more content. I promise you, I do have more content on the way, but I didn't have nothing to do this weekend. But hope you guys are enjoying this lovely Tuesday. And I'll see you guys next time.